In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy TikTok Shop link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a direct link to any product in TikTok Shop, so you can share it quickly and accurately with friends, customers, or your team. First, open your TikTok account. That simply means launching the TikTok app on your device and making sure you're in your personal account so the shop features load properly. If TikTok Shop is available in your region, you'll see the shopping bag icon or shop area within the app. Give the app a second to refresh on the home screen so everything loads, especially if you haven't opened it in a while or you're on a slower connection. Next, select a specific product. You can get to a product page in a few ways. From the Shop tab, from a product card shown on a video, or from a creator's storefront. The key is to open the actual product detail page where you see the product photos, price, variations like size or color, and the buy button. Take a moment to confirm this is the exact item you want to share, because the link you copy will point directly to the product you're currently viewing. This helps avoid confusion later and makes sure whoever receives the link lands on the right item. Now, tap the share icon on the product page. On TikTok, the share icon typically looks like an arrow. You'll find it near the top or alongside other product actions. When you tap it, a panel will slide up with several sharing options. If you don't see the panel right away, wait a second. Sometimes the share sheet takes a moment to populate, especially if you're switching between apps or networks. From the share options, choose Copy Link. TikTok will instantly copy the product URL to your device's clipboard, and you'll usually see a brief confirmation like copied. That's it. You now have the direct TikTok Shop link ready to use. If you ever need to verify the link, you can paste it into a Notes app or a browser to confirm it opens the same product page you selected. Keep in mind, links can sometimes include tracking parameters added by TikTok. That's normal and helps the platform route the product correctly. If the share icon or copy link option doesn't appear, double-check that you're on a product page and that TikTok Shop is supported in your region. With these simple actions, open your TikTok account, select the product, tap share, and hit copy link. You can reliably capture the exact product link whenever you need it.